if in your e-commerce site, if you want to sell the sulfuric acid, you can write the text like this, in which some text is in the bold font. Here 2 and 4 are subscript, sulfuric acid is italic here. Some text you want to emphasize like every chemical industry, some text you want to highlight like now available, so you can write some strong text. Some text you want to mark, while some text you want to show as a deleted text. Few text you want to show as a inserted text, and some text you are writing in a small font. So how to do this kind of formatting using some special text formatting tags. So here you can see our documents, that is formatting.html, and to save the time we'll just copy this text here. So we will take it in visible range here. Now it's fine. Now if you save this and show here and refresh our page, you are getting the simple text. If you want to take this in the paragraph, we will better write here paragraph, so it will be appear in the new line. So save it and refresh it. Now everything is fine, but this is very flat text. So you have not anything bold. H2SO4, that is the chemical formula of sulfuric acid. It is not written in proper way, and you have a two prices. One you want to delete here, and everything you want to set. So here, if you want to bold the H2SO4, you can write one tag here, that is B. B tag is make your text bold. So you open the tag and close the tag on which you want to apply the formatting, and then you refresh. You can see your H2SO4 is written in the bold font. Now here if you want to write 2 as a subscript, so you write here one more tag, that is sub. So it will write the subscripted text. So you end the sub here, and 4 is also subscript. So you write subscript here. So you can do the nesting also. If you want to do the bold, and inside the bold if you want to write subscript text, you can do the nesting of the tag. So once you refresh the page, you are getting the correct H2SO4 formula. Here you can see 2 and 4 is subscripted. Now if you want to write sulfuric acid as a italic way, so you can write here, you have a sulfuric acid, so you can write I tag, that's make your text italic here. So you can see here sulfuric acid is in italic here. Now if you want to emphasize, it is used in almost every chemical industry, so you can write the EM tag to emphasize the text. So we will start it and end it with the EM tag. So you refresh it and you can see here it is looking like the inclined font, and that is your emphasized font. Now if you want to write some text very strong, that is suppose if you want to show the availability of this acid in best price, so you can write strong text here. So you can write with the strong tag, and you end the strong here, and and you refresh it, you are getting available is written in the strong font. Now if you want to mark your list price, then you can write mark tag here. So you write the mark and you close the mark tag here and refresh it. So you can say list price is marked here. Now if you want to show some deleted text, that is older price, so you can write the del tag and you can see here now your older price is shown, but it is in deleted form. Now after deleting the old price, if you want to write $60 as a inserted text, you can write ins tag and complete it. And now you can see your new price is underlined. That is what the inserted text. Now you are writing here star and that is some condition here. So conditions you are writing normally with the superscript. So you can write sup for the superscript. So you can start and close the superscript tag. So you will find star is here, and normally people are writing conditions with the smaller font. So you better write your conditions in a smaller font. So you write small tag for make your condition text in a smaller font. So you can see now condition is appear in the smaller font. So now you can understand here. Now you can bold the text or emphasize the text, or you can write some strong text here. You can mark some text. You can delete some text. You can build inserted text, superscript text, and you can write even smaller text. So this is what all about the all text formatting. If you like this video, press like and subscribe the channel and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for my new video notifications. Thanks for watching.